was just exploring one of the things that is very famous these days. So I was exploring Chat GPT, and I just tried out a few things on the same. So everyone knows what Chat GPT is. It's an open AI platform which gives you answers uh, beautifully. So beautifully in the sense, I was just trying Chat GPT for, let's say, various reasons. I asked it, let's say, um, I asked it to draft a marketing plan for a to B2B enterprise. So can you draft a marketing plan? Yes. Everyone knows this. Everyone knows that ChatGPT is a platform that gives you answers in a way Google doesn't. So Google gives you a standard answer for all your questions, or it just displays rather a website that gives you the answer to the questions. Google is not an AI platform. Google is just the search engine that displays websites available on the content that you had searched for. So ChatGPT is one step ahead. It gives you specific answers to your questions. Like if I ask it to pass a journal entry for cash sales worth rupees 25,000. Let's see whether it's able to pass a journal entry. Yes, it was able to pass a journal entry along with the explanation. It was able to give it beautifully. So it clearly indicates that it is one step ahead. It passes the journal entry along with the amounts. Okay. So I wanted to ask it a few financial markets questions कि अगर इतना सब तुझे पता है तो मुझे ये भी बता दे कि कल मैं कौन से स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट करूं. So why not, no? So which stocks to invest in tomorrow? So let's see whether it answers the question. Yes. It cannot answer a question like which stocks to invest in tomorrow, or let's say which stocks should I trade in. Again, the same answer, isn't it? That it is not in a position to give personalized financial advice. Well, this clearly indicates, see, try to understand what I'm trying to tell you. Financial market is a domain which is left unexplored for decades together. And it is a very upcoming and thriving domain wherein we require more and more research individuals and people who are wanting to work in that particular domain. Okay, there is no standardized structure of knowledge available in the financial markets domain. That's one of the reasons why courses like the ones that I've designed have gained popularity. Okay, if you ask this particular AI model, uh, which tablet should I consume for a headache? Just see whether it's in a position to answer. Yes, it gave us answers. Just see. It is asking me to consult with a doctor, but still it gave me the answer of OTC pain relievers. Just see. It's asking me to consult, definitely it's asking me to consult a medical professional or a health professional, but it was still able to give the answers like ibuprofen or this, whatever this tablet name is, I have no idea. The thing is, it can give you a medical advice till a certain extent. It was able to. Definitely, we are not going to take medical advice from OpenAI, but it cannot give you financial advice. Not even a single stock it could name that I can invest my money in. Okay. It is not even asking, it is not giving a single name clearly and clearly states how much work needs to be done on financial markets. It is not readily available. There's no readily available data. There's no readily available analysis that anyone gives you. So we want individuals to work in financial. There's a lot of scope